Hi Hollywood Lifers, it's Chloe here with Diana Falzone, our relationship expert, and we are going to tackle the subject of Demi Moore and Ashton Kutcher. As you all know, there are some pretty damning reports out there that Ashton cheated on Demi on the eve of their 6th wedding anniversary.
It is so upsetting when you read these reports. They've been going on for quite some time, where there's been kind of misty rumors that Ashton has not been the faithful, loving husband like we thought he was. And now there are more than alleged rumors. There are apparently pictures in a hot tub with another mistress who's having her 15 minutes of fame. And if I was Demi, after hearing so many reports, I don't know how much I would be willing to save it. I mean, there's been numerous encounters, like last year, I believe, there was the girl with the sex tape, and she...
Britney Jones,
yes,
last year.
Britney Jones. I mean, he's not really picking kind of grade A material in terms of his mistresses, to be quite honest.
Ironically, side note here, you know, he took Charlie Sheen's spot on 2.5 Men, and he looks to really be following in Charlie Sheen's footsteps as the wild partier. But you know,
method acting.
Demi and Ashton, they were spotted at a Kabbalah center. She's still wearing her wedding ring. Do you think that she should really try to see this marriage through?
Is this a PR move? That's kind of what we need to figure out here. This is not your typical American couple that is trying to really make a go at saving the marriage. They're trying to make a go at saving their brand. As we've heard, there's something in the divorce settlement over $200 million. So are they a lot to lose? So are they doing this like Brad Pitt and Jennifer Aniston after the reports of him and Angelina Jolie kind of hooking up, and they took that walk on the beach and they're doing it for press photos? Or is there a true, genuine interest in really saving this marriage because they love each other? If there is that mutual love and Ashton just can't keep it in his pants, sorry, maybe on some level they can work it out and save the marriage and figure out why he has to be so tempted. Because when you decide to be married, you are making a pact to be monogamous. If you cannot make that pact, do not be married.
You know, maybe this is a PR stunt. You know, she is significantly older than him, I think like 10 years.
Yeah.
But she's really beautiful and she's a lot going for her. So she doesn't need Ashton.
No, she doesn't need Ashton. And obviously, I say this for any woman out there. If a man is disrespecting you, treating you like a doormat, leave. I don't care necessarily what you have to lose monetarily, and some people would say, well, that's not reality. Well, the reality is that your self-respect and your self-worth is a lot more than putting up with somebody who's going to constantly cheat on you and possibly hurt your health or ruin your health with STDs out there.
Right. Demi, though, has a lot of really good things happening in her professional career right now. So she did a new movie with Jennifer Aniston about breast cancer awareness called 5. But, you know, she has a lot going for her, so she doesn't need Ashton.
No, she does not need Ashton. I say this to all the women listening to us right now. If a man is disrespecting you, don't take it, because it's all fun and games, right, until someone gets an STD or someone gets pregnant. So have more self-love and self-respect and leave him.
And hopefully, with your advice and our editor-in-chief, Bonnie Fuller's advice, Demi will be able to kind of muddle through this situation and figure it out. And listen, Hollywood Lifers, keep coming back and listening to Diana's advice. And for all your latest news, gossip, style, beauty, and more, keep coming back to HollywoodLife.com.